Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna talk about the icon button. So without wasting our time, let's just hit the code. I want to put my button into the center, so using the center widget, which puts everything into the center of your body, shall use icon button. And in icon button you will be watching out a lot of properties, so let's just have a look at it. Okay, in the icon button the required property is the icon. So icon is the required thing. Alright, so you can change the size of the icon and you can give it a padding and alignment as well, and splash radius. You can try these properties, they are pretty simple, so you can just play with these properties. Okay, you can have the color, focus color, hard color, highlight color, splash color, disable color, and we also have another required property, that is the required property of every button we will be using in Flutter, that is onPressed property, onPressed button property. Alright, we also have the other these properties, so we will just be focusing on the main properties or the normal property that we use whenever we use the icon button in our application. So first of all, we have to give it an icon. Okay, in icon, as I just told you, it is inside the icon widget. Okay, so you can change its size, you can also change the size of icon in the icon button as well. You can change its color and the other these properties. If you haven't seen the video that I have created on the icon widget, so you can just check it out, and I will give you the link in the description of that thing. So let me just write the onPressed property. You can see this is your icon button, and when you press icon button, and it will work whatever function you have given into that onPressed functionality. You can also change its icon size. I want to give it a 60 and it will change the size of your icon. Okay, let me just see that whether I can change the color of my icon or not. So we'll go for the color, and in color go for the colors dot. I want to go with the yellow color, and I think it will work fine. Okay, we can also give it a splash color. Okay, so splash color I want to give it a black color. So let's see how it will work. This is your splash color, and this is how the splash color work. Okay, you can see that we also have these other colors, so we can try these out, but not now. So if you want to try these properties, you can try it by yourself. I have taught you the basic things or the enough things about the icon button which you can use whenever you want to use it in your application. So that is enough for the normal users of icon button. And this is all for this video. If you really find it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.